Okay, those of you guys who've been paying attention that I've been mentioning in my videos that I'm doing Uber and Lyft. I've been doing quite a bit of videos revolving that. So what this is the coaster area for your cup holder. One box comes as a pair. They do look like they have a little film protection on. Peel it off right here. As you can see, the top is very reflective. Now, whenever this sensor gets covered up, these lights will turn on by themselves. So this will charge by micro USB. Now this gold inlet button, it's pretty hard to push. If I cover the sensor, it turns on. That is kind of the concept where whenever you set a cup on it, it'll cover. The light does shine from the sides here, so it does go all the way out. Comes with a tiny little micro USB to charge it. They'll detect motion, so if it moves, it'll turn on, and if it gets covered, it'll turn on. So let me turn off the lights. Hey Google, since it is dark, let me actually turn these ones in the back. They are going to turn off right now. So just in case your water bottle is not as dark and it doesn't let it cover, I mean it covers right now, but you can see that it's gonna light up. It's kind of like that limo effect where the light's gonna glow through the bottle, but it's not always gonna be lit unless you're moving around. It will detect movement. There's different settings, different colors that you can press in the back of it. So I'm gonna press the button in the back. Now that changed to blue. There's yellow, cyan, white, and it's a pulsing, and this one's going through all the colors. Set a cup on that booty. I am going to put it in a car right now, so let's go test it out. Okay, so here they are. Just put them inside of your cup holder. You can see how they sit in there. Now it is daylight. Can't see it very well. Obviously right now it's too bright for it to work, but that is the idea. It'll sit in there. I will test it at nighttime and show you. This is what it looks like in my car. I'm recording off of my Pixel phone. It looks a lot better in person. It doesn't really justify off of video, so you can understand the low light in the cell phone. It's not the greatest. I didn't have my camera with me since I was away from my house, so that's what I can show you. Here are some pictures of what it looks like. Pictures are a lot better than the video, I would think, but you can get the justification of what it would look like. It's a little bit of a distraction, a cool vibe to it, so that's nice to see. Okay, it is the next day, and I will tell you what I thought about these, but before I do, let me just show you what it looks like when it's charging. Green little glow there that will turn off once it's fully charged. I don't need to try, I haven't ran it out of battery yet. I have them on all night, and they still turn on. As you can see, the gold little buttons, they're really flush, they're almost inside, but you can actually press your skin on it. You just press kind of hard, and it does turn on, so you don't need to use your fingernail like I was making it seem, and it works actually doing that. Now, in order for me not to get these stolen, I'm going to put Velcro underneath here so I can place these on there and be hard to steal or get stuck on a cup. It won't pick up with it. I'm going to order 2 more sets. So here's my Uber update. I finally did it today. This is how much I made today with 5 rides in 3 hours and 20 minutes. I made $51. This is through Lyft app. You can see I started at 11:49 and ended at 2. So I wasn't driving the whole time. There was some pauses, but it calculates how long I drove for and it puts it all together, and that's how much I made. One of them was pretty far, which was like a 30-minute drive, so you can see you get paid a little bit more. There is tips that you get paid as well. On Uber, I didn't get too many rides, only 3, and they were really short. The 3 trips were actually Uber Eats and very short rides that I did, so it was only $12. So in total today I made around $63 within a 4-hour period. I could have kept going, and I still can. After the video I can go off and make more money. These were not the surge prices. These are the cheapest rides that you can do. You can go into different zones that pay you even more, like double or triple the amount, so you can get paid at different time frames in different zones. And I did it outside of the zone in different time frames where it wasn't as busy, so the demand wasn't high and it was earning the lowest. So you can definitely make some money here. I will be reviewing this tablet maybe next week. This is the MediaPad M5. I did an unboxing video, but I felt like I wanted to learn more before I really just do an unboxing. There's been many unboxing videos of this. I'll report back on my Uber experiences, how much I'm making. I'll post my earnings on Twitter so you can see if it's going to be something you would like to do as a second, third job, whatever it is. I'm trying to buy a house. That's why I'm working extra, hustling out here. So there you guys have it. These are pretty cool. If you want it, find it in the description down below. As you can tell, I'm trying to bring in different kind of product, not just phone or tablet or computer related. I'm trying to bring everything in one channel. So I hope you guys support that. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Later.